In this video, we'll explain how to create a YouTube channel through your desktop. Follow these steps for simple creation. First step you have to do is to create your account or Google account, or you can use your existing account. Once you have created, log into your YouTube, then go to your profile photo. Under your email or account, you can see now the sign of create a channel. Now you can see the profile photo. You can see the name of the channel and the handle of the channel. Here you can choose, of course, the profile photo. You design one you own, or you can select, of course, the name of the channel, which is going to reflect and display. The handle is going to be something unique. It's going to be used as a username, going to be used as your URL for your channel. Here it's available right now with a green mark. You can now hit create channel. Now the channel is created and you can start to creating a content in your channel. But before that, we can go ahead and do customization for the channel. You can see this is a customization. Here you can upload your banner and as well the profile photo. If you didn't choose it at the time we have created the first step, you can also change it here or remove it. Of course, you can change the name of the channel if you change your mind. As mentioned here, you can change your name twice in 14 days. Here your handle, and this is your address of your channel. Here you have to add the description of the channel, which is going to represent what exactly your channel about. You can add a second language in case if you want to add to the description, and the name, of course. You can also add links to other social media you have. In case you have a Instagram, you have a Facebook, anything, you can add it here. You have an email address, which is gonna be preferred, not the same address that you have for your channel. You can make a separate email that is gonna help you with the communicating for inquiries, business inquiries, and cooperation with other creators. You have the last option here, which is a watermark. We're gonna be showing in your videos. You have the option to upload a profile one that will appear. Of course, you have three choices to appear in the entire video, or the beginning, or the end. The main options we have to make sure you go to settings, channel. You have here where is your country of residence. You select where exactly you reside right now. Here you can add the keywords which represent the channel's values. You can go ahead to advanced settings. Here you have choice to review this. This is like if this video is for kids or not. You can select it here, no or yes. As well, if you decide one day to clear or delete this channel, you can go ahead and go here and remove YouTube content. From here you can delete the channels and start over from scratch. Go to the upload defaults. This is you showing your titles and descriptions. If you want to add something to your description every time you upload a video, you can add it on this one. Even visibility, once you upload or video, when you hit the publish, gonna be go as a public or private or unlisted. Advanced, here you select the video languages and the descriptions, and even the control the comments in your videos. Permissions is something related to if you want to give permission to somebody to invite them to do some managing or editors or subtitle editor or viewer. Here you can have this option to add somebody to your channels to help you out in your content creation. There's some control on the comments sections. So this is how to create a channel and check the basic settings on the channels. If you have any further questions of specific things on channels, how to do something like profiles, like banners, like some extra settings you want to make sure this is correct, analytics, even monetization, we can have it in the comment below and make a separate video for that. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one. Peace.